The search tool operates intuitively like a search engine. In simple search mode, the engine will search through all metadata for results that contain the query. In the 3D view, the results are displayed by isolating them from the other parts. They may appear as markers, with or without a ghost environment, depending on the display options you selected in the search engine. There is an advanced search editor for constructing complex and cross-reference searches. You can configure your search editor according to your needs. And you can add filters by issue, date, or any information from the metadata. You can choose exact or contained results. If the cross-reference search meets your needs, you can directly apply this selection by clicking on Convert Search to Filter. This will create an automatic filter on the active layer, instantly filtering your context. By default, the search only works on visible parts, as defined by the layers. Therefore, the search result might be empty, or you might not find your part. You have the option to override this limitation and perform a global search on all parts of the model using the option in the context menu Extend to. An icon will indicate that this part is currently hidden. The engine can indicate the number of parts that have the same name or the same metadata. If an object is duplicated in the model, you will know its exact number by looking at the drop-down menu.